Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Lindy Peters and I'm a financial coach, here to help you plan for a brighter future and help you take more control over your hard-earned pennies with budgeting, saving, motivation and guidance. And I'll be sharing my investment journey with you. In this video, we'll be looking at 3 more ways you can save your hard-earned money. Now the first tip for today is combining your shopping trips, because there's actually a lot of shops. When you go to the one shop, you buy the product, it might be about £2. Then you go to another shop, you buy exactly the same product, exactly the same brand, half the cost of £1 or maybe £1.50. Now I know this is not a big saving, but if you save 50 pence on 20 items you are buying, that's a saving of £10. So it's worth having a look if there is some of the products that you do like, if you can buy them cheaper at other shops, even though it's exactly the same product, exactly the same brand. Because I found it that some of the brands that I like to use or some of the products that I use, I can make a saving of up to 50% just by shopping around. Now that's why it's a great idea to make a nice shopping trip for you, so you don't spend a lot of money on fuel to go to all those shops, but you make the savings of going to those different shops and buying the different products in each different shop. So in my time, mine actually works like a little raindrop, where I start from my home, I go to the one side of town, I buy everything there, then I go to the center of town, buy everything in those shops, then go to the other side of town, buy there, and then go home. So I don't really spend a lot more money on fuel, but the amount of savings I do just by doing that is enormous. Now another great tip that goes with the combined shopping trips is having a food budget or a weekend budget. Now I have a food budget or a weekend budget of about £100, but I do try and stick to shopping for about £50 and alcohol for the weekend for between £15 and £20. That means I've got a nice saving on the weekly budget. Now that money I take and put that towards our Christmas challenge and put that in the pot to help us to be able to achieve our Christmas challenge goals. If you're getting value so far, please smash that like button so it turns blue, and make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Now another great saving tip is to have a no spending day. Now it's great to have a no spending day, but if you have a look at a few things you can do, make it a Monday to Friday no spending. Because I have found if you make your own lunches for work, you make your own coffee to take to work with you, you can actually get away without spending any money from Monday to Friday because you're at work. You have your lunches, you have your coffees, you have your water to drink at work. When you get home, you do your evening dinner, and there's no reason to actually go to the shop from a Monday to Friday unless you run out of things. Now, if you get your shopping done right on the weekend, you won't need to run out of anything throughout the week. And this will help you save a lot of money as well, because there's not all those impulse buying when you are at the shops. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to give me a call to discuss any of the topics in my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. If you've got any topic requests or any questions for me, please comment below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.